Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diana the Paper Pineapple. Thanks for joining me. If you're new, welcome. I am just going to do a brief overview of my week 47 because I don't want to get behind. And I will do a process video of week 48. So really quick, this is week 47. I used September's kit and some October and some November of Elle Studio kit. So here is my daughter. She was showing me because I bought her a new mascara and she just loved the way her lashes look. She's like, look, Mom, look. So I put morning lashes, wow. And then this week was the week going into Thanksgiving break. She had her ingrown tone removal done and permanently removed, like where they burned the base of the nail. So she will no longer have it anymore. So here, this is her in her chair. And then I use this card here that says work and play. And this is where I kind of document a little bit about that. Since she was off her feet because she had her toe, she elevated her toe. She was blinging her Leatherman jacket. And I just use this little tab that says cooler days are here. And then this is documenting one of the books that I finished this week, which was The Sundown Motel. And I gave this book a 5-star. It was a 5-star book for me. Use this little thing, this little die cut that says reading from Elle Studio. I love this 4x6 with 2 little Polaroid shots. I printed 2x2 minis of food that I ate. And this one was a class party. It was a Friday. We were celebrating Jennifer's birthday. And so we had like a little potluck and it was super yummy. And then the day that I took my daughter to get her toe done, it's like tradition. We would always go. I usually take her to Chipotle, but this time I took her to In-N-Out. And so I had a lunch date with Jocelyn. Use my rolling date stamp for that. Moving on to this side. This was my Thursday 3. I didn't post it, but I did take my picture and I put my random 3 moments, 3 things. I snapped a picture of the beautiful blue sky and the pretty color of the leaves, which is my fall fave. This week I had stitches removed from my elbow at the dermatologist's office, and right when we were walking out, as I was getting in the car, I was like, oh, this is such a pretty picture. So I took a picture of me standing in the bunch of the leaves with the bright yellows and oranges and reds and put hello autumn. I love the different, like the paint chip look, so I added that in there. This is my daughter's fur baby Lola. She was sleeping. And we were watching Cobra Kai season 6. We watched the first part. We binged it. It was really, really good. And now we have to wait till, what is it, January 13th or February 13th? I can't remember. And so then here's a picture of us watching that and my Netflix buddy, my little Palm Milo. And then for this one, I just like this tie with this little teacup. Since the season's cooling down and it's getting kind of chilly, we've been drinking a lot of teas and stuff like that and hot chocolates, and so I wanted to put that and put home. So this pretty much sums up week 47. So if you'd like to stay tuned, I will have a process video of week 48. Okay, now a process video of week 48. I used Elle Studio November kit and some of the die cuts from a previous kit, September's and October's. I went ahead and I am arranging my pictures. This week is picture heavy because it's documenting Thanksgiving Day, and we had a Thanksgiving break, so we had a whole week off of work and school. And so, yeah, there's tons of pictures. So I ended up using PicFrame, which is an app, a free app that I use to do collages, especially when I have lots of pictures. So I did end up using that, did a couple of grids here and collages there. So yeah, let me go ahead and take you through my week. The top, we're going from left to right. Top left 4x6 picture at the top is a picture of Sundays. We visit grandparents on Sundays. So in the morning we go visit grandma. A couple hours, and then we go visit the evenings with grandpa and visit with him. So we usually have lunch with grandma, and it's fun because every time that we go it's like a different theme, and so we just never know what she's gonna serve, and it's always fun to guess what we're gonna eat. So this day she ended up making sushi and some California rolls and some egg rolls and I believe some shrimp. So that was really yummy with all the sauces. My mom always goes out. That's like her favorite thing, and it's her love language is feeding people, giving them food, which is I'm all for because this girl loves to eat. So anyway, that was great. And so I had to take pictures of all the food that she made. And then the middle row there with the 2 3x4 pictures. My husband's friend, but one of his best friends, Eddie, he turned 40, and so we went out to dinner. We went to Yosemite Ranch, and then from there we went to the press box. And it was actually interesting because I usually don't go out to places like where there's young people. I consider myself already old fogey, but so there was like karaoke, and it was just so weird and bizarre to be out with all the youngins. But so one of my husband's friends, Steven, he does karaoke, and his wife Vanessa does karaoke. So we stayed there till they did their songs, and it was so much fun. We took a bunch of pictures and we're cheering them on. It was a blast, and we didn't get home till like past 1:30 in the morning, which was really crazy because that was on a Monday. But considering that I didn't have work or school, I was okay. So did a lot of resting the next day, but it was great. So so the following day, we went out to have ramen with my brother, and we like to go to different places to eat ramen because usually we like to go to Bakersfield, and it is a 2-hour drive from where we live. And so we've been trying to find a spot that kind of hits the spot that's similar to that restaurant. And so far, this one has been the best. So we checked out this place. We invited my mom. My daughter invited her boyfriend, and we all had ramen. It was great. We all enjoyed it. We gave it a 2 thumbs up. So far, that one has been the best. And so, yeah, I just added all the little pictures, did a grid there. I used a journaling card to document that. And here I'm working on a little collage from Thanksgiving. I had lots of pictures. And what I did end up using is this tradition card. I ended up making like landscape of the pictures of a family, and at the bottom has my husband. He's at the table eating because after he finished eating, he just went to bed. So I didn't want to make him mad and be like, okay, you got to come back. You got to come back for pictures. And he would have been like, what? No. So anyway, I let him be and just put a picture of him in there so that, I can document that he was actually there. I had a little pocket here. It was clear, and so I thought I would cut up these little 2x3s and put them in that little pocket there. And I thought, you know what, I have some leaves that Haley gave me, confetti or sequins, and so I added those in there. And I was too lazy to take out my my fuse tool, so I ended up just using some tape, some clear tape, so you can't really tell that it's there. And then I just trimmed the excess off, and voila, I got a little shaker pocket and didn't have to bring out my fuse tool. So I thought it looked cute. And then it has a bunch of leaves there with my charcuterie board. And I love this card, this journaling card from Elle Studio that's to document your Thanksgiving and all the details. And this year was the first year that my husband did the turkey. I did everything else. He did the brine, and he used the Traeger to smoke the turkey, and it was actually pretty good. So I think that might be a new thing. So I told him, that's great, you take care of the turkey and I take care of the rest, because usually I go all out and I do it all by myself. We don't have a lot of family. It's just my brother and my dad, and so it's just the 7 of us. But this year we added my daughter's boyfriend came, and so that made 8. So it was great. We had a good time. We enjoyed some games, and then the day after we decorated for Christmas and decorated the tree. And here I had to add my husband because my husband never helps. And the fact that he was there adding ornaments and stuff, I was like, oh my gosh, I have to document this. So this is why I've added this picture in here. Most of the stuff I'll probably be adding in my December daily. I have not actually started it. I hope to do that this weekend. Just the time escaped me. I've just been really busy trying to clean and get everything orderly and decorate it for Christmas and get everything ready. So yeah, I'm a little late to the thing, but I will hopefully have a video for you soon about documenting all that stuff. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing. and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video. Bye guys!